In this lecture, we're going to solve systems of equations using substitution. Substitution means to replace something. So let's take a look at question A. The first thing I notice is the x is by itself. And I can tell you that x equals y minus 3. So I'm going to take this y minus 3 and substitute it right here for x, because that is what x equals. So I have negative 3, and now I plug in what x equals. Y minus 3. And I can bring everything else down. Plus 3y equals 4. Now, the one thing I notice is I have just y's. So I need to solve for y. I'm going to start out doing the distributive property. So I have negative 3y plus 9 plus 3y equals 4. Now, right away, I notice that I can combine like terms. So 3y plus 3y cancels out, and I'm left with 9 equals 4. Now, right away, this should be a red flag for you. 9 does not equal 4. So that means this system has no solution. And then we stop right there. Alright, let's take a look at this next one. The first thing I notice is the y is by itself, and the y equals 5x plus 19. So I'm going to take that and plug it in for y. So I have negative 3x minus 8. Now my y is going to be 5x plus 19. I'm going to bring down everything else. And now I'm going to multiply and bring down everything. So I have negative 3x minus 40x minus 152 equals 20. I notice that these are like terms. So when I combine them together, I get negative 43x minus 152 equals 20. I can add 152 to both sides. The 152 cancels. I get negative 43x equals 172. And I take the 172 and I divide it by negative 43. I want to get that x by itself. So x is going to equal negative 4. So now I know what x is, so I can actually take that and plug it all the way back up here. And I want to figure out what y is. So I can take y equals 5 times x, and we know that x is negative 4, plus 19. Negative 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Bring down the plus 19, and y equals negative 1. So that means our answer is x, comma, negative 1, and we have one solution.